Email Hunter, the software which allows you to gather the email addresses of your potential clients. The program allows you to extract emails from websites using your special criteria such as URLs or your keyword query. You may download the free trial version in the description of the video. Please note that you should start the software using the admin account of your system. If you already own the registration key, you may activate the program by going to Help, Registration. Imagine that you want to find the email addresses of Florida University dentists. You find the websites where the email addresses you are interested are seen, and you can be sure Atomic Email Hunter will extract them. So, we copy this URL. The predefined settings of the software are good for about 75% of websites. The settings menu may be reached at Settings, Common Settings. In this video, we'll take a look at the Connection, Advanced, and Filters tabs. In the Connection tab, there are two menus we are basically interested in. The first one is Configuration. It limits the resources taken by the software from your PC and the randomized checkbox. It makes the websites think that multiple users search the websites using different web browsers and connection protocols. Advanced tab, actually the second one, allows you to limit the search to a certain number of links or email addresses to be parsed from the websites. Also, it provides you with the ability to utilize the JavaScript parser. It may be used if regular search is not enough. And another great option here is the timeout option we may set like from 1 to 10 seconds, and the software will make random pauses in between the connections of two of the same websites. This also imitates the activity of the real person. Now we pass two filters. Everything is simple here on the third one. If you want to limit the search to a certain URL or to exclude a certain website from the search, you should go to URL filters and paste that URL or exact domain name here or here accordingly. Pretty much the same situation as with email filters, but in this case you should use regular system signs. Here you will see everything you need to know about that. Most of the previously noted settings are available in the More Options menu in the top right corner of the screen. This menu might be preferred to be used by the new users of the Atomic Email Hunter. You may start your first extraction using the single menu. There are two basic ways to find emails. The first one, the more precise one, is searching the emails from the exact website. In this case, you should know the exact URL of the website or websites you want to get the emails from. Googling is the best way. The second way is to use the built-in keyword search. In this case, you should simply enter the keywords into the search bar and hit enter. The software will use search engines to build the list of URLs that match your keyword request. Note, the more keywords you enter, the less results you'll receive, but the more precise they will be. Most likely you want to enter the necessary URL here or keywords here, or even both URL and the keywords here. In this case, the software will try to Google for the links on the website that fit the entered keyword. If you know the exact place on the website where the email addresses are stored, you may set the extraction limitation here, Limit To, so that the software will not extract email addresses from any other link available on the website. Set the limitation of the search and hit Start Hunting. Actually, if you run the software with the same settings and on the same website I have, you'll receive the same results in about a minute, as all the results were cached on our server and are now available for our users. We've skipped a couple of minutes here actually, and now we can see the results. Say I've got enough emails and I stop the extraction. I wait for the software to close all of the open connections. Now we can remove duplicates by going to Results, Delete Duplicates, and export the results. There are several options to export the results. You may save the list to the pre-created file, copy the emails to the clipboard, choose between Microsoft Excel and Word, or save the data to an OpenOffice file. Also, you are able to move the results to another software produced by Adam Park Software. To Verifier, to erase the email addresses which might be unavailable if the data on the website you've parsed the emails from was too old or does not exist anymore. To Mail Sender, to shoot the email campaign out. Note that if you already own any software by Adam Park, you will be able to get a 20% discount for any other software you are interested in from your member area. So thank you for your time and interest towards Adam Park Software. Have a wonderful day ahead.